Good morning. Let's beat the heat with this morning yoga flow. So we're going to start in mountain pose, palms forward, shoulders down, inhaling up. Exhale to the right, inhale up, exhale to the left, inhale up, forward fold, halfway lift, forward fold. Step the left foot back and go into warrior one pose. Reposition the back foot at 90 degrees for warrior two. Raising your right arm with your gaze up. Drop the right arm, lifting the left arm up. And repeat. Make sure you're getting a nice stretch on the side body as you do this. Reposition the back foot into crescent pose, making sure the ankle is above the ball of the foot. Breathe here. Come into chair pose. In chair pose, keeping the lower back nice and straight. Tilt your pelvis as needed. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Stepping the right foot back into warrior one. Reposition the back foot to a 90-degree angle for warrior two. Raise your left arm up. Raise your right arm up. Repeat on the other side. Turn the back foot into crescent pose, making sure the heel is over the ball of the foot. Stepping forward into chair pose, watching the lower back, keeping it nice and straight. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Cactus arms. Inhale up. Exhale into cactus arms. Inhale up. Bring hands to heart center. Coming into eagle pose, wrapping your right foot around your left leg. Take your right arm underneath your left arm. Pulling up and down. Repeat this 5 times. Gaze is forward. Find something to keep your gaze on to hold your balance. Hold that point. Slowly unwrap your arms and your legs. Go ahead and do it on the other side, wrapping the left leg around the right leg. The left arm goes underneath right arm. Raise and lower your arms 5 times, keeping that focal point to hold your balance, keeping the navel pulled in. Hold the gaze. Unwrap your arms and unwrap your legs. Coming into dancer pose. Raise your left arm up. Take your right hand and put your right foot into the palm of your hand. Pivot forward, holding your balance. And release that. Taking your right hand up. With your left palm and put your left foot into it. Pivoting forward. Holding the gaze. Release that. Arms at your sides. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale. Bring your hands to heart center.